Alright, so here, overthinking refers to the process of thinking about a situation too much or for too long. It often involves analyzing, commenting, and predicting outcomes to an excessive degree. We're going to see that one of the primary reasons we overthink is due to anxiety and fear. When we are faced with uncertainty of a potential threat, our brain tries to solve this by analyzing all of the possible outcomes. We're going to see that humans also have a natural desire to control their environment and outcomes, and overthinking can be a way to try and exert control over situations that are beyond our control. We are also going to see that past experiences, especially negative ones, can influence our tendency to overthink. If we